Hello friends, today's question is asked by Mrs. Bharti to me and the question goes this way. Dr. Poonam, I read a news article which mentioned that babies should be given flu vaccine to protect the kids. Is flu vaccine known to protect kids from COVID-19? So actually what happened is few days back one news article had come in a newspaper which read this, okay. So after that I am getting multiple questions regarding this very query with two, she has asked about the flu vaccine, but there are many patients who are asking me about flu vaccine and pneumonia vaccine, okay, or the PCV vaccine. Now let me just clear it to everyone. Neither flu nor pneumonia gives a direct protection to COVID in kids, okay. Having said this, remember there is no vaccine for COVID in children. All the vaccines are undergoing trial. Now, why did this news report say that these vaccines should be given to the patients? Now, there is something known as Indian Academy of Pediatrics, the IAP. Okay, so many times you'll find it written in front of my name here, that ex-honorary secretary of IAP Goa State Branch. So that way there is a whole association of all the pediatricians all over India, which is called the IAP, that is Indian Academy of Pediatrics. And Indian Academy of Pediatrics gives regular updates about vaccination of babies, how to go about, and recommendation on kids vaccination. 5 years back the recommendation had come stating that inform every parent the importance of giving flu vaccine and pneumonia vaccine, okay. So it is a optional vaccine, but it has to be informed. Now in certain areas PCV vaccine is no more optional, it is a compulsory vaccine, and I think over time it is going to become compulsory everywhere else in India. We in the private sector have been giving pneumonia vaccine maybe for last 13-14 years, okay, and the flu vaccine, like I have been giving it since the last 10 years. The flu vaccine also have been given as a optional vaccine, but many children do take the flu vaccine with me. Now what is the reason of giving these two vaccines though it doesn't protect you from COVID-19? Why give these vaccines when it doesn't protect from COVID-19? Now for all purpose said and done, COVID-19, flu and pneumonia, all three will present, or the symptoms in the baby will be same. All three are going to present with fever, with cough, difficulty in breathing, okay. These are the main symptoms which will be there in all three. So for all practical purpose, if a child comes to me with fever, cough, cold, difficulty in breathing, there is no way for me to know is this a COVID-19 patient, a flu patient, or a pneumonia patient. So what will this cause? What will this cause in future? Whenever a patient comes with such symptoms, okay, that patient will be subjected to all the investigations the way it is done for COVID-19. So they will have to be subjected for COVID testing and all the other things, okay, because we won't know whether he is COVID-19 or no. So the best way is to prevent these infections, that is prevent the flu, prevent the pneumonia, okay. Now again, these two vaccines are not 100% protective. No vaccine is 100% protective, but yes, they are protective to the extent of 70 to 80%, or even to the extent of 85%, okay. So because of this, the whole burden on the health system caused by flu and pneumonia will decrease, and we can concentrate more on the COVID patients, okay. So that is your number one reason. Number two reason you have to remember is why simply subject the babies to such infections when it can very well be prevented. And other thing that patients were asking me is how the schedule goes. So remember, when you take flu vaccine before 9 years of age, it is 2 doses to start with. So you start with 1 dose today, 1 dose after 1 month, and then every year 1 dose is repeated. So it's a yearly vaccine. Whereas with pneumonia, the schedule changes, pneumonia vaccine, the schedule changes depending upon the child's age. Now, if your child is someone who is below 6 months, he is going to get 3 vaccines 1 month apart, okay, and then 1 vaccine at 1.5 years. And then as you cross this age, suppose you forgot to give vaccine before 6 months of age and you've crossed 6 months, then you are going to get 2 doses 1 month apart and then 1 dose at 1.5 years. Suppose you forget even then, and you remember after 1 year that you have to give vaccine, then you give 1 dose now, 1 dose after 1.5 year. And suppose after 1.5 year you just forget that there is vaccine and it's 2 years plus, and you remember that, oh, vaccine has to be given for pneumonia. One single shot can be given after 2 years anytime. Okay, so remember that. So I think this is the answer for Mrs. Bharti's question, and I hope you have understood it. Okay, so whoever, if it is possible for anyone, please go get your jabs for your vaccine. It is entirely optional. It is your choice whether you want to go it. No one is making it compulsory, but it is advisable. It is advisable to give the children these 2 jabs, okay, before the COVID-19 vaccine comes. Now, when the COVID-19 vaccine will come for kids, as of now, we have no a clear-cut timeline of that. But yes, studies are on the way. Studies are of different vaccines for kids at different age are on the way, and they will come as and when they come. I'll be there with the new video. Bye-bye.